Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. This is what I go through in the community at large. I'm in my bed trying to get some rest, but, horn harassment, and I'm a little under the weather right now. You hear my voice is hoarse. It's been a rough few days, but I love you guys and girls. Targets, stay strong. Stay strong. And everybody else going through this noise harassment, hold on. Have a great Friday, everyone. I'm going to turn off my camera soon because I don't have time like this. I'm still trying to get some rest and get my voice together and rest. I'm so sleep deprived. Friday after 12 a.m. in the morning, getting sleep is hard over here. But I appreciate having a place to call home. I am humble and I'm grateful. And I just want to say thank you, Jesus of Nazareth, for still standing on your throne. Have a great early morning and Friday, everyone. Peace. The organized gangstalking is real.